Menopause is a natural phase in a woman's life, typically occurring in the late 40s or early 50s. However, the transition can be confusing as symptoms often overlap with other health conditions. Recognizing the signs early can help you navigate this change more smoothly. Here are 5 major indicators that you may be going through menopause. 1. Irregular periods or missed cycles. One of the earliest and most noticeable signs of menopause is a change in your menstrual cycle. Your periods may become unpredictable, arriving earlier or later than usual, or you might skip months altogether. Some women experience lighter bleeding, while others notice heavier and prolonged periods. These fluctuations occur due to a decline in estrogen and progesterone levels, which regulate the menstrual cycle. If you have gone 12 consecutive months without a period, you have officially reached menopause. 2. Hot flashes and night sweats. Hot flashes are sudden waves of intense heat that spread across the body, particularly in the face, neck, and chest. These episodes can last for a few seconds or several minutes, and are often followed by chills or excessive sweating. Many women also experience night sweats, which are hot flashes that occur during sleep, often leading to disrupted rest and insomnia. These symptoms can range from mild to severe and may persist for several years. 3. Mood swings and emotional changes. Hormonal fluctuations during menopause can significantly affect your mood and emotional well-being. Many women experience increased irritability, anxiety, and even episodes of depression. It is common to feel more emotional than usual, with sudden bursts of sadness or frustration. Memory lapses and difficulty concentrating, often referred to as brain fog, may also occur. These changes are linked to the declining levels of estrogen, which play a role in regulating brain function and emotional stability. 4. Vaginal dryness and decreased libido. As estrogen levels drop, many women experience vaginal dryness, which can lead to discomfort, itching, and pain during intercourse. This decline in natural lubrication can also contribute to a decreased interest in sex. In addition, some women notice a general decrease in arousal and difficulty achieving orgasm. While these changes can be frustrating, various treatments, including moisturizers, lubricants, and hormone therapy, can help alleviate discomfort. 5. Sleep disturbances and fatigue. Menopause often brings significant changes in sleep patterns. Many women struggle with falling asleep or staying asleep due to night sweats, increased anxiety, or restlessness. The lack of quality sleep can lead to persistent fatigue, making it harder to focus and complete daily tasks. Over time, chronic sleep deprivation can contribute to feelings of exhaustion, mood swings, and overall reduced well-being. Menopause is a natural transition that every woman experiences differently. While these 5 signs are among the most common, the intensity and duration of symptoms vary. Understanding what is happening to your body can help you take proactive steps to manage symptoms through lifestyle changes, medical treatments, and self-care. If your symptoms are significantly affecting your quality of life, consider speaking with a healthcare professional to explore potential treatment options.